Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to introduce myself first. My name is Supardi from Atmaluhur Business and Science Institute, Pangkal Pinang. In this opportunity, I would like to present you our research about use of the advanced encryption standard algorithm for encryption short message service on real-count applications. Authors Ari Amir Al-Qadri, Burham Isnanto, and Supardi. Introduction. Of the many benefits that have been obtained from current technological developments, of course, there are also negative impacts that are no less significant. The digital era is now an era where digital information sharing has increased significantly. Every short message service that comes in on someone's mobile device in their own privacy. As an example of tapping short SMS, which have been experienced by several high-ranking state officials. For him, tapping was detrimental to him because some of his personal secrets were exposed to the public. Security and confidentiality issues are one important aspect. In this case, it is closely related to how important the information is sent and received by interested people. Therefore, to maintain the confidentiality of SMS, a security system in the form of a message security application is needed. In developing SMS applications such as SMS service, such as quizzes, polls, forums, academics, banks, and even business applications such as ordering goods. Cryptography is the science and art of maintaining the confidentiality of messages or information that can be read. Message is usually referred to as plaintext. The AES algorithm is a typical permutation of primitive network encryption based on a symmetric block cipher structure. The numbers for loop operation on S are 10, 12, 14 for IS 128, IS 192, and IS 26 separately, with the number of K bits being 128, 129, and 256. Algorithm Advanced Encryption Standard (IS) is a modern symmetric cryptographic algorithm. In the S algorithm, the keys used have varying lengths, namely 128, 192, 256, with a different number of rounds depending on the length of the key. So, this algorithm is very good for tech and data security. Research is the real count, namely a system that displays the results of voting in general elections. Conceptualizing transaction data of service delivery from the count of each TPS to the PPK. This service consists of several types of service concepts such as registration of telephone numbers for validation of incoming data and the process of transmitting voice count data per unit time. With this concept, it is expected that the result, validation, accuracy, and speed of sending vote counts from each polling station will be achieved, so that after the data is entered into the PPK. At that time, it will also be seen from the number of votes of each Pilkada participant, sub-district, district, provincial, and even central, where the process of sending information of the result of the election calculation from TPS to the integrated database system. Research method. Advanced Encryption Standard (IS) is a cryptographic algorithm that can be used to secure data. The IS algorithm is a symmetric ciphertext block that can encrypt, encipher, and decrypt or decipher information. The IS algorithm is a typical permutation of primitive network encryption, or SPN, based on a symmetric block cipher structure. The numbers for loop operation on IS are 10, 12, 14, for IS 128, IS 192, and IS 26 separately, with the number of K bits being 128, 129, and 256. This figure IS encryption and IS analysis. Short Message Service, or SMS, is one of the facilities of DSM technology that enables sending and receiving short message 0 in the form of text with a maximum capacity of 160 characters from the mobile station. The maximum capacity depends on the alphabet are used to a maximum of 160 characters Latin alphabet and 4 non-Latin. Architectural elements and SMS support networks. Figure GSM system architecture. Result. A. Network architecture. The following is a network architecture for the message sending process, starting from sending incoming message to the real-time application. SMS format. Formats for delivery voting results via SMS as follows. 1. TPS chairman registration. Reg space chairman name space TPS number. Example, Reg Ari Amir Al Qadri TPS 1. 2. Vote result message TPS number hashtag candidate 1 same with pool number, candidate 2 same with pool number, candidate 3 same with pool number, candidate 4 same with pool number. Example, TPS 1 hashtag CD1 same with 60, CD2 same with 40, CD3 same with 45, CD4 same with 30. 3. Broadcast message. Broadcast is sent from the server to all TPS chairmen. If you want to send important information when the election began, you can use this broadcast message tool. Advice to all TPS chairmen that poll results calculation time at 5 p.m. Expected timely. Thank you, Shipper Server SMS Gateway. 4. With application, unrack space TPS number. Example, unrack TPS 1. Application view, The following is a display of the RailCon application with the application of the Advanced Encryption Standard algorithm for encryption short message service. Figure the encryption short message service display. An image display of the encryption results sent by several registered polling stations, which contains the number of candidates for each candidate according to the provisions of the SMS format. Display of encrypted files. Read message. Next, it discusses how to read messages that come in message whose serial number is the 9 message storage. The new messages are in the PDU format as follows. Conclusion. The conclusion of this study is that the application of the Advanced Encryption Standard algorithm for encryption of short message service in the RailCon application can provide security and protect important voting data from its TPS resulting from sending messages of the SMS server application. That's all from my presentation, and I'm sorry for any mistake I made. Hopefully this presentation is useful for us all, and thank you for your attention. Good afternoon and have a nice day.